Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we are going to explore VirtualBox Snapshot and learn how to manage them on our Rocky Linux. Snapshots can save a lot of time and efforts, especially when you are experimenting the new setup or configurations. Let's get started. So what exactly is a snapshot? Think of a snapshot as quick backup of your virtual machine. At a specific moment, it freezes the current state, including your operating system, installed applications, and files. This way, if something goes wrong during an experiment, you can roll back to a perfectly working state without having to start from scratch. Let's see how to create a snapshot in VirtualBox. Let's open a VirtualBox first and select your machine. I have only one machine, and then click on Snapshot. I have already on the snapshot window. Click on Take Snapshot icon, or right click also you can take, or click on Take Snapshot. Give a snapshot meaningful name, like I want to update operating system, or I want to update kernel. I will give the name as before OS update and click OK. At right side you can see the progress. Snapshot is successfully completed. I recommend giving your snapshot descriptive name so you can quickly identify their purpose later while you are restoring. Now let's learn how to restore a snapshot. To do this, go to the snapshot tab and right click or on a snapshot that you want to restore, or select a snapshot and click to restore. These are the two ways you can do it. So if I want to restore to the previous state, this is the current state. I have done some configurations. I did some experimentation and something goes wrong. I want to revert it back to before OS update. Just I will right click the snapshot and the restore is disabled. Let me stop the VM and directly powered off the VM. Now I want to restore to the uh, previous state. Just I will click on the snapshot and click on restore. It will restore it automatically. And if you want to take a backup, if you want to take a snapshot, current snapshot, then you need to check this box, otherwise not required. Just click restore. The current state is this. VirtualBox will immediately revert your virtual machine to this state before OS update state. This is particularly useful if your system becomes unstable or test setup does not work as planned. You are essentially traveling back in time to when your system was working perfectly. Power on the machine and check. It will take some time to power on the machine. So this is the terminal window where I have taken a snapshot. The snapshot has been restored as it is. The application, the terminal was open while taking the snapshot. As it is open, and the command output is also there. You can see this. Now deleting, let's see how to delete a snapshot, old snapshot. So I will turn off this VM. I want to delete the previous snapshot. Just select the snapshot and click on delete. The snapshot has been deleted. Deleting snapshot cannot be undone. So make sure the snapshot is not critical before removing it. So you can now power on. System is getting power on. I will pause the video. System is power on now. Let me log in. I'm able to log in on the machine. Some of the few steps to manage your snapshot effectively. Avoid relying on snapshot as your only backup method. They are great for a quick rollback but not a substitute for a full backup. Limit the number of snapshots you keep. Too many snapshots can slow down performance and take up a significant disk space. Use meaningful name and descriptions while taking a snapshot. Snapshots are essential tool for developers, system admins, and anyone testing a new setup on your local machine. In this video, we covered what snapshots are and their importance, how to create a snapshot in VirtualBox, restoring snapshot to revert changes or recover from errors, deleting snapshot to manage disk space, best practice for using snapshot. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy learning and keep exploring. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.